Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl. Sometimes when you search for something in Google, you might expect to see a detailed article answering your question. But instead, the top results may be category pages, product listings, or content hubs, rather than individual pages. For example, you might search something like best running shoes, and Google shows you a category page with dozens of shoes, rather than a single article reviewing one or multiple shoes. This happens because Google is not only evaluating the content on the page, it is also trying to determine what type of page best satisfies the search intent. In this lesson, we'll look at why Google sometimes ranks category pages instead of articles and what this means for SEO strategy. SEO engines try to understand the intent behind the query. Some searches are informational. For example, if someone searches how to change a tire, an instructional article is likely the best result. But other searches are broader or exploratory. For example, running shoes suggests the user may want to browse multiple options, compare products, or explore categories. Now, it could also mean that they are ready to buy. In this situation, Google often prefers a category page or listing page because it gives users multiple choices rather than just one piece of content. One reason why category pages rank well is that they aggregate multiple options at once. Instead of focusing on a single term or topic, they present a collection of related items. For example, an e commerce category page for laptops may display dozens of models. This allows users to compare features, prices, and brands. Because of this, category pages often satisfy the needs of the users who are still exploring or researching their options. This is why Google sometimes prefers them over a single article. Another difference between articles and category pages is the type of coverage they provide. Articles provide depth, they explore one topic in detail. Category pages provide breadth, they present many related items within a topic area. When users want to learn about a specific subject in detail, Google may rank an article. But when users want to see multiple options or navigate a topic area, category pages often become more useful. The difference between depth and breadth plays a big role in ranking decisions. E commerce searches are a clear example of this behavior. If someone searches for something like gaming laptops, Google rarely ranks a page about a single laptop model. Instead, it usually ranks category pages from online stores or marketplaces. This happens because users searching these terms usually want to compare multiple products before making a decision. Category pages allows users to filter, sort, and explore different options easily. Because of this, they often match the user intent better than a single product page. This concept applies to large content websites or blogs. Some blogs create topic hubs or resource pages that may list related articles. For example, a website might have a page that lists all their articles about digital marketing, SEO, or fitness. If users are searching broadly for a topic, Google may rank these hub pages instead of a single article. This is because the hub provides a structured overview of the entire topic area. For SEO professionals, the takeaway is to study the search results before creating content. If Google is consistently ranking category pages for a keyword, trying to rank a single article may be difficult. Instead, it may be better to create a category page or resource hub or listing page that matches the structure of the search results. In other words, SEO is not only about optimizing content, it is about matching the format of the page to the intent behind the search. To summarize, Google does not always prefer individual articles when ranking search results. For broader or exploratory queries, category pages often perform better because they allow users to browse and compare multiple options. Understanding this behavior helps SEOs make better decisions about what type of page to create for a particular keyword. When the page type matches the search intent, the chances of ranking successfully increase significantly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.